Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. So in today's video I'm going to buy a few fruits and veggies for my son. Baby?
Should I prendersi?
Utoleba. Angimolwa ukuthi Freshener. Kanti ngeployo ngoba senginesikhathi nami manje. Ngiwashuta ngapha.
Baby? Hey guys, so that's one thing I love about Evergreen. They are so generous, guys. Like every time we come here, they have like fruits that we need to taste. I mean, who doesn't know what an apple tastes like? So yeah, I'm just here buying a few fruits and veggies for my son. Guys, I look crazy. My hair is a mess. I really don't know what to do with this hair. I honestly do not know what to do with it. I don't know if I should cut it because I combed it, but it doesn't look like I combed it, and it's so sore when I comb it, so I don't know what to do now. So yeah guys, basically I'm looking for stuff for my son, fruits and veggies, since he started eating solids now. Okay, so I just remembered I need maize, so I'm getting this 5 kg. So I need maize, and I've got a list here. I'm trying to stick to the list. Normally I don't stick to my list, but yeah, I've got a list here. I need diapers as well. We didn't take rice, love. I've got a list, guys. I'm trying to stick to my list. I've realized that every time I go to a store, I go out without a list, I end up overspending so much money. I buy unnecessary things that aren't even needed. So we're sticking to the list today, hopefully. So I'm looking for Pampers pants, and it looks like they only have one left. I don't know how much this is. Yes, I did switch. I switched to Pampers. I'll shoot another video, different video, as to why I changed to Pampers. So I don't know how much this is. So I don't know how much this is, but I'm going to find out how much this is. They don't have prices here, so let me just find out. So guys, it turns out the Pampers The pampers are actually 199 rand for 58. Like I said, guys, I'll explain to you guys why I had to change from Huggies to Pampers. So it's a long story, but I'll cut it short. Yeah, so I'll tell you guys why I had to do that. So guys, I also wanted beans, so I'm trying to give my son beans as well. Apparently they're good for babies, so I don't know what's the difference honestly between all of those beans. It's Swift Red, this is Magic Rice Sugar Beans. Right guys, I guess beans are beans, right? Nice. Let's just check this one. So I also need eggs, so I'm just quickly going to get some eggs. I don't know which ones to get. Now I print. Should we take this one's love? Yo guys, my husband is so extra with these things. Wachika kuti napugile. So I'm getting butternut for him as well, so I couldn't find the fruits that I was looking for. Well, I did find the bananas, but I just felt like they were not ripe, so I decided that I was gonna buy them elsewhere. So right now I'm just gonna get him getting him a butternut. He doesn't like this one at all. So if there's any meat that my son loves the most, it's chicken. He loves chicken. We tried giving him some beef. He doesn't like it. He doesn't enjoys it. He literally would try to spit it out. But with chicken, he enjoys it. And he also loves chicken liver. So yeah, this boy loves his chicken so much. I don't know why he loves chicken so much. I have no idea. So guys, this is some of the things that I got. I obviously used some stuff already. So I got this potatoes for my son. He loves mashed potato. So yeah, I got him potatoes, and I got this lettuce. This lettuce is actually free. They gave this lettuce to us for free. Evergreen is so generous, guys. I got him butternut as well. It's his least favorite. He doesn't like butternut at all, but hey, he has to have it. And I also got this onions. I prefer small onions. I don't know if it has a name, but onion is onion, guys. So yeah. And then I got this bread. It's called Gouda bread. So I bought 2 of these. They were very cheap, guys. I can't remember the price though. Very cheap, very fresh. I think they just finished making it. We also got this grapes for free, guys. These grapes were free. Yo, Evergreen, guys. Evergreen is forever green. She's the girl who she thinks she is. So these grapes were also free. And then I got eggs, 20 large eggs. Yeah, guys. So there were, I can't remember the prices, guys. I'm literally just showing you guys what I got. And then Can you believe I thought this were pens? I thought it was Pampers pens and not just the normal diapers. Yeah, I was very, very disappointed, guys. I think the reason why I thought there were pens is probably because I was panicking. There was only one pack. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell.